In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom indicator with MetaEditor for MetaTrader 5. We'll go through the full process from opening the editor to testing your finished indicator on a chart. If you're new to MetaTrader 5 or MQL5, don't worry. This workflow is very straightforward once you understand what each part is doing. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 and go to the Tools menu, then choose MetaQuotes Language Editor. This will launch MetaEditor, which is the built-in development environment used to create indicators, expert advisors, and scripts for the platform. Think of it as the place where you write and manage the code that powers custom tools in MetaTrader. Once MetaEditor opens, click File, then New. This starts the creation wizard, which helps you generate the basic structure of your project without having to build everything from scratch. In the list of available program types, select Custom Indicator, and then click Next. This tells MetaEditor that you want to create an indicator specifically, rather than an automated strategy or utility script. Next, enter a name for your indicator. You can also configure any optional settings shown in the wizard. This is a good moment to choose a clear and descriptive name, especially if you plan to create multiple tools later. After that, click Finish. MetaEditor will automatically generate an indicator template for you. This template includes the basic MQL5 structure required for the indicator to work, so you can focus on the logic instead of setup. Now it's time to add or modify the indicator's calculation logic in the generated MQL5 code. This is where you define how the indicator behaves, what values it calculates, and how it responds to price data. If you already know the formula or method you want to use, place that logic into the appropriate sections of the template. As you edit, try to keep your code organized and readable, so it's easier to troubleshoot later. When your changes are complete, click Compile, or simply press F7 to build the indicator. Compiling checks the code for errors and creates the file MetaTrader 5 needs in order to run the indicator. If there are any issues, review the messages in the toolbox area and correct them before compiling again. After a successful compile, return to MetaTrader 5. If your indicator does not appear automatically, refresh the navigator, then expand indicators, open the custom section, and locate your new indicator. Drag it onto a chart to test it and confirm it behaves the way you expect. This final step is important because it lets you verify both the calculations and the visual output in a live chart environment.